Hi, this is Phil Kruger with Harris Equipment. Given the time of year, I want to talk about water in your lines, condensate. It's a problem, but there's some very simple things you can do to get the water out of there. The first thing I want you to do is go and look at your drains. Make sure your drains are working. There are different types of drains out on the market, and today we're going to talk about the 110 volt automatic timer drain. There is a light here that will signify whether or not the power is on to it. If the light is not on, check the plug, make sure it's plugged in. The second thing I want you to do is I want you to depress the test button. When you press the test button, you will feel it fire. It will open the orifice and air will push whatever's behind it out. If it doesn't do that, you know you probably have a bad solenoid, something that can be fixed. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to look at the two knobs that are sitting adjacent to each other on the face. One is a frequency knob and one is a duration knob. The frequency is how often you want it to open per hour. So you have options of every 5 minutes setting it. The duration is when it opens, how long do you want it to stay open. In the heavy, humid months of the year, you may want to set this so it opens more frequently, and you may want to set it so that it stays open longer. During the low humidity times of the year, you may want to set it back a little bit so it doesn't open as often and it doesn't stay open as long. This is not the most energy efficient type of drain out there. However, it's very effective at relieving condensate from your lines. Next week we're going to talk about the zero loss drain and how efficient it is with regards to energy as well as condensate release. Phil Kruger, Harris Equipment. We'll see you next week.